Have you ever felt like you're doing everything right, but your money just isn't staying with you? You work, you plan, you save, but somewhere deep down, it still feels out of control. That's uneasy feeling. I've seen it in professionals, families, and even business owners. You're not alone. And I want you to know there is a way out of this loop. Hi, I'm Taresh Bhatia, a certified financial planner, CFP, coach at the Richness Academy and the author of the Amazon bestseller book, The Richness Principles. Over 37 years, I have been helping individuals and families just like you make sense of their money. Not by just pushing products or by teaching mindset, but giving them ideas about mindset, structure, values that guide the real decisions in life. Because money is more than just numbers. Money is your energy, and energy must be always respected. Respect money or it escapes. In this, the Richness Masterclass, I will share with you 3 powerful insights, 3 secrets that I call secrets. Not because they are hidden, but because most people overlook them. Secret number 1, mindset. We'll shift the way you see money. And from fear and uncertainty to respect and direction. Secret number 2, strategy and tools. I'll introduce you to tools that create order from chaos, Excel planners, trackers, and templates that help you stay on course. Secret number 3, habits and alignments. You will learn how small daily actions aligned with your values can transform how money responds to you. You will learn how to respect money. When you attend this session live, 90 minutes, you won't leave with just insights. You will leave with direction. You will also receive 4 things. My Richness Masterclass workbook to help you reflect. 9 Excel-based planning tools to build clarity simplified. A sneak peek of my book, The Richness Principles, first 3 chapters. And 10 simple financial checklists that bring discipline to your everyday money life so that you learn how to respect money more. These are real tools I have used with thousands of people over the last 37 years. There's yours now when you show up in the webinar. Imagine 6 months from today. What if your financial decisions felt calm, aligned, and full of purpose? That's the real goal of this session. It's not about becoming rich overnight. It's about becoming rich with intention, learned wisdom. Join me live, listen, learn, reflect, adapt, and then adopt certain ways to think rich and walk away with tools, clarity, and confidence. Because the truth is, money flows where clarity grows. Let's begin. Let's begin your journey the richness way with wisdom. Reserve your free spot now. Register in the Richness Academy live. Grab your seat, free seat now. See you live in the webinar.